In a mascamp, what that? If I'm woman in head. Yeah, hold on, stop that.
Early, I remember if you didn't come from 6 o'clock, you would have ended so sharp. So make sure you come out early next year, August the 5th, same place. Drive home safe for you know spice love for the tip of the time and come out easy. Please, no rushing, no pushing. Just come out easy, alright, just like done. Go home in ease, please. Alright, candy them say done right, so. Hold on, man. Spice love wanna take all the time and come out easy. Love wanna take all the time and come out easy. Thank you for coming out to celebrate with me. Make sure to come out early next year from 6 o'clock. Alright, that's right there. Big up the peace officer them. Right, that's all. I love you all.
Wagwan Jamaican peeps. As you clearly can see in that video there, it all went haywire during the performance of an artist, right? I never remember him name, to be honest. You know, he was performing, I think in part of the Gaza camp, you know what I mean? Man, I performed during the performance. All of a sudden, I just hear be screaming to my right. Right? Followed by the crowd that literally push me. And I see the middle just open up so. So me I try wonder what go on. Me turn my camera around a little bit to see what go on. Yo, the whole crowd literally lift me up and move me to the left. By the time I look, a woman start tumble down. The man then tear down the railing to the stage. Yo, VIP have one tall railing go way up in the air. Way up. The man then completely tear that down. When I look in front of me, about 100 women there ground tumble over. And people are step on people. Literally step on people, stepping on people throat. And all them things, they have to jump over people. Vlog girl. They have to jump over people. If you not stepping on people, something there, face and all them things. Seriously. Me trip and drop. See? Watch me knee. Creep up the whole of my knee. And during that time, they may try to hold the vlog camera so it not drops. People pass, bounce it so the camera fly out of the clip. So me just turn madman. Me have to literally start kick and thump up people out of my way and watch my camera and grab my camera quick. Thank God it in a safety case to pick up my camera. All of that will happen. One man come and him make beer nice. He must say film camera drop off a stage. He want to find him camera. And all them things there. One bag of hysteria. People missing their phones, purses, monies, slippers. Whole heap of thing. You see woman on the ground, them look like them get a little injured too. And Triple X step on the stage as one the host I try to calm down situation, but this man who losing camera, well, must say a Canon or so, because I'm a film for a media house. He might bang it, yo, Triple X I try continue the show, Spice I try to calm down everybody, but nobody now listen because all of the madness happen like one big crowd, the whole crowd. I'm a couple thousands people in a mascamp in the ram, lick over everybody and all them thing there. So the police come because that happened and say lock it off. So we not get fishy. No Spice performance. And that me vex about. Me see everybody else. No disrespect. Me never come for really soon still. Me come see Spice perform. And that my viewers them and my followers them want. Them love that. No. Really, Jamaica, I just want to tell you this. The war vibes will cause all of this. My question is, why is it we can't behave better when we go at a party or things like this? Why is it that when we go somewhere like this type of, where we go a party like this, like Spice party, we can behave better? Why we can't just go on an event and have a nice time? Why you always have a 1 man or 2 man? Dog, yo, me can't take the bag of violence thing. And you know, so me nah go back. Me nah go back again. You know what I mean? Always have some 1 man or someone somebody to start some harm's house. Jamaica, do better. You know what I mean? Do better. I mean, enough people are gonna say, well, event they going to is kind of ghetto party, like you have nothing to do with that. No, well, it's a booty thing. You have nothing to really do like that. If you people don't know, booty is not where you come from. It's a mentality, one dark mentality, or you behave and all them things there. Why is it we as Jamaican can be better? And the hottest thing to tourists did there. Whole heap of tourist woman there. Look like them fly down for Spice birthday bash. When they do this, when they now mash up the thing, man, I mean no Spice vex. Cause me can see it on her face so she vex. And people vex, whole heap of people, because them come out for see Spice. A Spice me want catch especially. Oh, I'm a vex, man. I know at 3:53 a.m. in the morning and I have footage. I feel like I never want to put them up. To be honest, the way my vibes, bro. I'm not really get to see Spice performance. You know what I mean? Jamaican people, do better. Because I believe, say, we can do better too, in spite of everything. And man, in the school off of the war, the negative energy, or, you know what I mean, the madness will cause all of that. Whatever that cause all of that. Calm down, man, and ease off it. Every time we go on an event like that, Jamaican people does always cause something to start something. Come on, my people. Do better. Media house is dead. When them see all of them things, what you think them are going to say? Mash up the thing, man, and mash up the woman something. You know what I mean, Jamaican people, I love you know, but in a dirty behavior just piss me off and piss off enough people. You know what I mean? Just chill, man. I'm just keep it real with you know. You know what I mean? You know, have nothing to do with inner city, mid class, upper class, ghetto, butu, hood rat chick, hood rat boy, whatever you want to call it. It's a mental thing. Behave better. Just like you can choose yes or no. Behave better, my people. We know better, so make we do better now. Yeah, man. We can do better.